Okay, the car is going into the service bay. Let's see what is wrong. Okay, jacking the car up. Alright, there's definitely here. So let's see what's.
Is your tank level, your fuel level?
Oh, there, see,
leaking.
the hose crack already. So ini you all got the parts to replace
Got.
Do you have it in stock or do you have to order?
For this hose we have to order it.
Okay, boleh lah. Can you help me order and give me the cost estimate?
Yep, can.
Okay, because I'll be away for the whole week. So kalau need time kan, I'll just leave the car here until next week.
No, it takes about maybe about 1 to 2 hours.
Oh, 1 to 2 hours. Very good. Bro, can you just show me the?
Proceed.
So this is the hole lah.
Yep.
Okay. Yes, proceed lah. Kalau tak proceed macam mana? Saya bocor minyak. Okay, so they are replacing the leaked hose with a new one. So just to illustrate to you, this is the hose from which when you refuel, right? This is the hose which fuel goes into the fuel tank. This one is the return. Okay, so let's say when you fill in full tank, okay, right? So the fuel will come back up this line and go up to cause your fuel filler gun to bounce back. So you look up this wheel arch, right? You see a lot of sand and dirt accumulated there. Okay, this is a result of years of every time when you overfill, the fuel pop up and it leak back down. So this is quite common, nothing to be worried about. Okay, so the fuel leak all down here, this hose, and result in all the dirt being stuck there. But this is nothing to be worried about. So here the new hose is in place. This is the return hose. Okay, so that's the return hose in place.